Hi, beautiful. So you've been told you should try Pilates to help strengthen your core, improve your alignment, and help relieve pain. But why Pilates? In this video, I'm going to explain what is Pilates and how doing Pilates benefits your body. So let's get to it. Welcome to the Vital 7 channel, all things body and Pilates, because a flexible mind and body are more comfortable to live in. So what is Pilates? Pilates is an exercise modality developed by Joseph Pilates to strengthen your muscles, increase your flexibility, and help improve your overall health. Pilates includes exercises for every part of your body and function for movement in your everyday life. So what does that mean? Well, maybe you want to take longer walks or more vigorous hikes. Maybe you want to run longer, bike longer. Maybe you want to roller skate or skateboard. Maybe you just want some fun time on the floor with your kids or your grandkids. Or maybe you want to dance the night away. That is my personal favorite, definitely. Pilates is going to help you do that because Pilates helps you feel better in your body so you can do the things you love. So how does it work? Pilates develops the mind-body connection. Each exercise involves the whole person. Now, I know that can sound a little woo-woo, but what exactly do we mean by mind-body connection in this context? It means you're paying attention to what you're doing, you're paying attention to the muscles that are making the movement happen, and you're paying attention to how it feels in your body. Each Pilates exercise pays attention to breath, proper form, and efficiency of movement. And when you exercise with this intention, the results you receive are profound. So what kind of results are we talking about? A stronger core, better alignment, move with more ease and less effort, whole body balanced muscle development, better balance, improved coordination, decreased levels of stress, sharper focus, better concentration, better control of movement, move more gracefully and functionally, the integration of your mind and body, and just to feel good in your body again. And that's it. Now you know what is Pilates and how doing Pilates benefits your body. I hope this answered your question. I hope you learned something new today. Please leave a comment below on a video that you'd like to see on this channel. And remember to like, share, and subscribe so you can see more content like this. All right, until next time, bye for now. Roller skate or skateboard. Maybe you want to have some